This is the Cosco 8-person table, and when fully open, it measures 6 feet across. And it also has a carrying handle too, and it measures about 25 pounds. And it also has this locking mechanism here, and let me unlock it and open it up so you can see it in use. And now all you have to do is open up the legs, just like that, and then you lock it into place. And then you repeat the same thing on the other side. Perfect. And now we're going to tip it over, and then we're ready to use. Perfect. See how nice this is? And this is for indoor as well as outdoor use. And it measures 6 feet across by 29 inches by 29 inches, approximately. And now let me show you how easy it is to lock it back into place. So all you're gonna do is repeat the steps again, but in reverse. So we're gonna tip it back over. And then we're going to unlock the legs. And then push this down, and then it's going to go into this area, just like that, and snaps into place. Just like that. Now the next step is to unlock it, and all you have to do is push this button here, and then it locks it back into place. And just like that, you're ready for your next event. This is perfect for wedding parties, barbecue parties, bridal showers, backyard picnics, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.